Hello folks, this is Wanders again, and I just want to show you the contents of another one of our kits that we carry aboard, and this is our repair kit. Um, this race, the Everglades Challenge, is what's called an unsupported race, which means that there are no chase boats, we can't have anything pre-positioned on land or anything like that, and a lot of the places that will be on this race, there's no Walmarts or West Marines or anything like that, and so we need to carry stuff that we need in order to be able to keep on going, fix the boat, fix ourselves, and keep going. So this is the contents of our repair kit. Okay, so here's our repair kit, the contents of the repair kit, and I'm just going to go one by one, show you what everything is. So first thing, we've got some pliers. We've got some spare cleats. So this is just a horn cleat, and this is also a jam cleat in case we break something. A couple of crescent wrenches. I've got a screwdriver, just a slot screwdriver. We can also use this to pry with. We've got a hammer. Got some tongue depressors and some little brushes and some stuff here to mix glue up in. Carrying some soft shackles. The soft shackles are made of material called Amsteel. I made these. Amsteel is interesting stuff. It's this is 1/8 inch line. It has a breaking strength of 2,500 pounds. So we actually use these on the boat instead of steel shackles in a lot of places. We're also carrying a little lithium ion screwdriver slash drill. It's not real powerful, but we've tested it, and we can drill a 1/4 inch hole through a 2x4 if you work at it for a while. Inside this box we've got a variety of screwdriver bits that fit in here, and also some drills that fit in here. In addition, we've got some drywall screws and some deck screws, and that's what we'll use for repairs if we need to. I've got a variety of line here. So this is 1/8 inch Dacron, a bunch of little stuff, and a spare halyard. We've got a lighter. We've got a Japanese razor saw. This is a back saw. Cuts through pretty much anything. We like it really well. So this is these are ratchet straps, useful for a lot of different purposes. Got some bungee here. We've got a lot of bungees on board, but we thought we'd carry a spare one in the kit. And we've got a couple blocks attached to this, a little one and a big one. These are just in case we need to put some mechanical advantage on something. So got some duct tape. This is Gorilla Tape, strong stuff. Tarp repair tape. We're using this as our sail repair tape. It's like duct tape, but it's really, really wide. Got some nitrile gloves. Here's some other nitrile gloves. Some long zip ties. We've got some 5-minute epoxy gel stuff. Some water weld, which is like an epoxy stick. You can stick it, mix it up, stick it in a hole. It'll set underwater. The other nice thing about this stuff is you can actually make things out of this, and then drill it and that kind of stuff. So if we needed to, we could possibly make some mountings and whatnot out of this. We've got some Fiberfix, and Fiberfix is like an ace bandage that's coated with this stuff. If you get it wet, you've got a little while. You can wrap it around whatever it is you're trying to fix, and then it sets rock hard. Mainly this is if we break our mast. I'm looking at this, and hopefully this will be an effective mast bandage. We've got what's called a reefing hook. So you put a line through here, and then you can put this through a grommet and a tarp or something like that, and you make a repair a sail, that kind of thing. This is some spinnaker tape. These are a variety of lengths of threaded rod, and with nuts and washers. So in addition to all the tools, we're also carrying a few spares aboard, and or some materials that we can make things out of. So we've got a 3-foot section of 2x4. We have a section of lumber that fits inside the mast. We have a hollow wooden mast, and so if we break a mast, we use that as a plug, and can then hopefully fit the mast back together. We are also carrying a small block and tackle aboard, and this is serves a couple of purposes. One, if we need to haul the boat somewhere off the beach or onto a beach or something like that, but also it gives us a lot of line and just some more mechanical advantage if we need it. And let's see, we also have a 12 by 12 inch piece of 3/4 inch plywood aboard, and so hopefully that's enough to fix whatever it is that we need to fix.